Good morning, students. Am I audible? Is it audible? Inform all to join as soon as possible. So we are at the near end of your last module. So let me start officially. Fine. So this is a class of professional elective 3 of section, that is your rural water supply and on-site sanitation system. And we are in the last module of this subject, that is all about solid waste management. Fine. Till now, we have discussed about different sources of waste and different types of waste, which basically depend on the source. There are different categorization of the waste depending on the place of origin, or you can say effectiveness. That means, or you can say the hazard. Okay, so there are different categorization, or you can say classification of waste. Okay, there are different way. And in the last class, where we were discussing about what we are discussing about, yeah, composting, right? So in the last class, we have discussed kind of a technique, or you can say the approach that can be used by each and every household for minimizing the load of the waste on the earth. My voice is low. It may be because of the network, because I'm in college right now. So maybe this may be the reason. Fine. So I'll try to raise my voice anyway. Okay. Yeah. So in today's class, we're going to discuss about another type of technique that can be used to minimize the waste on earth, that is landfill. Okay, so we are going to discuss about landfill. So before going in the presentation, I'm just want to give you just a simple summary of the landfill. So even in the term, even the term landfill, it says about its process. Landfill means what? Whatever the waste that must be filled inside the earth. If you fill the waste inside the earth and you cover it from the top, it will become landfill. Okay, so from a basic, very simple definition, it is like that, landfill. Okay, so although landfill is not so effective, or some disadvantage also be there, but if you design a landfill properly, if you if one can design a landfill, or you can say the engineered landfill properly, then we can say prevent it can prevent the contact between the hazardous waste or hazardous waste and the environment. Okay, that means we can restrict the contact of the waste with the environment by filling the waste in a under the soil, basically. Okay, so there is a two way of disposal. Okay, one is your open disposal, or another one is landfill. Okay, when it comes to your open disposal, okay, first of all, let me share my screen, then I will discuss. Okay, is it visible to you? I hope it is visible to you, right? So anyway, so there is a two way of waste uh, disposal in surface. One is your, suppose this is your ground surface. There is two way. One is your open disposal. That means you can dispose the soil above the ground. And another one is your, you can dispose the soil beneath the ground. Okay. So basically, the landfill, basically we are talking about the disposal of soil underneath the ground.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Sir, your voice is not clear.
my voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'm just closing this. Okay, again try to rejoin. Fine. I'm going to close this. I again try to rejoin. Okay. So now I'm going to show you a video related to the landfill process. That means through this video you will understand the how a particular landfill is designed. Okay, what is the basic component of landfill? Okay, so in the last class we have discussed a basic of landfill. Okay, and what is the purpose of landfill, and also some advantages and disadvantages also. Fine. So here let me now share my screen and I will see a video. Fine. Okay, I guess you can see my screen. Now I'm going to show you a video that is related to a landfill process basically. Okay, so before starting the video, I'm going to again remind you that what is landfill. It is a tactic that can be adopted for solid waste disposal. Fine, and it is also considered as a uh, final process. Why? Because uh, the particular garbage or rubbishes, whatever the waste you are carrying for landfill process, first ensure whether they are usable or recyclable or not. Okay, so if there is some biodegradable waste are present in a particular waste, you can separate that and you can go for composting. Okay, fine. That means we also want the waste that are to be filled in the landfill process should be minimum. Fine, because there are some certain disadvantage of landfill also, because after few years back, at least after a few years from this today, maybe there is a possibility of leakage of the leachate from the bottom. Okay, although the surrounding or especially the bottom part of the landfill is lined, or you can make it impervious so that the liquid waste, that is a leachate, should not penetrate into the ground or reach the groundwater. And to resist that and to safeguard the groundwater table, even the subsoil beneath the landfill, we should must compact the landfill boundary so well, and that means we should design the landfill very well. Okay, anyway, so let's go to that video. I think the audio is clear to you. Now I'm going to mute myself and you just listen to the video, go through the video. Okay. So I guess you have gone through the video. So I hope it will be clear to you how a particular landfill is constructed, roughly, basically. Okay. So yeah, this is all about today class. Okay. So I've just now close the recording. Thank you for attending.